Right. Apparently my camera went to pooty, so I'm gonna try to pull what I can off of it. This is the this is a little experiment: copper sulfide, sulfuric acid, pennies, and what was that? Hydrogen peroxide. What we're gonna do is make this nice blue crystals. Okay. I'm gonna try to finish this up real quick and see if I can match it up. If not, I gotta do damn again. I ain't got much about this. So now, what I got right here is this little 18-volt battery. And what I'm gonna do, you see the reaction already. What I did, I put, I'm gonna say roughly about a cup of the hydrogen peroxide, and then about maybe half a cup of the sulfuric acid. Just put some juice to it. Oh yeah. Now, the reason why I send water because it get hot. You can tell it get a little hot. Now, what we're looking for is coloring, right? I'm gonna tell you it's hot. Move my little camera stuff out of the way. I ain't guaranteed this bitch ain't gonna blow up in my damn hand. See the color? Yeah, me the pennies nice and shiny though, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it roll a little bit. Roll in. We're gonna go for green. I should do is add some more ice. Watch this crack the glass. See, this up here, it's starting to get a little warm. This down here, of course it's warm. But it's in the water. Ooh, did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? And I'm gonna fast roll this anyway, so do whatever I can. Take it out, let it cool down for a minute. Pull it up, look at the color. I don't like the color. Do you like the color? I don't like the color. You gonna do it again. Boom. Just rolling. Alright, it's at that nice emerald green right now. And I'm gonna take it out. You won't do it till it stops bubbling. Oh wait, actually I'm waiting for a glass to pop. Look at that pretty color. Boy, I don't like green. I want some blue. Hug it. And poop. And it ain't blue yet, buddy. Tell you what, just I'm gonna trade it up a little bit on the negatives and the positives. Hug it over here and go. And who really cares, really, because it's the same thing no matter which way you go. Bigger, little bigger. This one really looks like damn Morse code. Shut up, damn it. Ooh, got this, they got a little sprinkle in it, you know? Damn. Don't ever do that. Shit. Or that. I don't like the color yet. It's green. I don't like green. screen, y'all. I want boo. Yeah, right. I said it. I said boo. Chill out for a second. You know, you probably ain't gonna hear none of that. Boo, 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 boo. Oh, she just about gave out on me yesterday. Yeah, right. I'm living dangerously. And now what you do with this, what you gonna do is you're gonna turn this down, take this right here. You're gonna, after it finally gets to whatever damn color it wants to be today, you're gonna take it and just let it, well, if it quit pooting at me, just take it and you let it, just dissolve down, just evaporate into the ozone layer and all the rest of that. And you're gonna get these nice pretty little rocks. Now, don't eat these little candy rocks, because they're gonna be bad. Watch this. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Go, boop, 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 boop. See, it'll make little sparks, make it go boom. Anyway, you're gonna make it like this right here. And then what you end up with, after about a damn, I usually go a little bit bigger. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, because I might show y'all later what this might come out to be. Hell, I'll do it any damn way. What do I got to lose? It's gonna blow up, watch. I mean, don't watch. Look at that. Shh. Alright. Boom. I know this is not the best way of, or the scientific way of doing anything, but I'm telling you right now, it's fun. Alright. It's got toilet tissue. No, my bad. It's called kitchen tissue. Oh, wait, look at them little fellas right there. Them some little fellas. And you know what? This ain't all I started with or I ended with. Honestly, this right here, I'm going to show you what they really look like. If I can get that to shut the head up. You on down to the throw the flashlight on. Let's throw some diamonds to it. And then little sparkles. Alright, now, that's the dirty version. Now we're gonna get real nasty. Little blue thing, got a whole bunch of little blue things. Alright, copper sulfite right here. Many uses for it, but one is blowing the blue colors out your flames. You just throw it in there and it burns perfectly blue. Thank you, Papa Smurf out.